This is Nissan Vanette 4x4 built by Mazda, Bongo, new generation, diesel, 2.2 R2, natural aspirate diesel, very simple, almost 1 ton, 900 kilogram, 3 passenger, 5-speed manual transmission, very simple, basic, 2.2 engine, natural aspirate. This is previous next service. Three seats, AC heater, it's high, has dual transfer case, high low, 5-speed. Starts right up, it's called start, glow plugs. Compact van, has cargo area, very simple. You can open door or lock or open from inside. Maybe good for camping, building, sliding, very clean floor, and has sliding windows. Number, yes, you can lock from inside or open. Safety, like a pull and open. It cannot open only like that. Washer fluid for rear ventilation, protection cargo, has heavy duty suspension, it's a 3 springs, you can put lift kit, rear axle, also has dual transfer case, and this is torsion bar. Also lift torsion bar. Compact and practical. 64,000 miles. Size approximately almost 91.7 feet. Or 91 inch, or 100 feet, 8 feet and 100 inch. Over 8 feet, and height almost 5 feet. Feet height. you can put rails here or rack. Luggage. Original tools. Oil filter. Previous inspection in Japan, service records 2026 plus inspection service. Backup mirror.